Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're on my chest today. We're going bass fishing. We have a Abu Garcia. I believe this is I think this is a Zada or whatever, like a Zada GX3 or whatever. And then we have the Max X rod. Rod. Actually, I forgot to record this, but I just posted on my story on Snapchat that I just caught a bass. I'll pop up a picture now. And not a very big one, but as you could see, but it was a decently sized bass, and I caught it right on this corner. So I'm gonna cast her over here again and see if I can't catch another one. We're using a bait caster today. Ooh, luckily I saved that one. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No. Aw. Well, we already got it stuck. It's hard to fish here because there's like all these weeds and stuff here. So, but I think once we make it around that side, it's gonna be all right. All right, let me get this out really quick. All right, I got it all out. Let's just cast one more time over here, and then we can try to maybe another one. I think I had one. Fishing at Lake Glory. This is like a family campground that I don't know if you have ever been to the amusement park Knoebels, but if you have, Knoebels owns this. But anyways, there's some all right bass. Last time my friend Xavier and I were here, we actually saw a pretty big one. But they are really spookish because the campers fish here a lot. I'm just gonna try it like basically right along here, and then we'll see how it goes from there. All right, let's try this. Well, that was a good cast. Right along the bank, actually. Right up. Oh, I've got a bunch of goop on there. All right. I think we already overfished that spot a little bit. The only thing about that is the bass here are like really spooked. Huh. Whoops. That was a little bit of a mistake. There it goes. There we go. Okay. Now we're back in business. if you guys want to show some support, don't be afraid to like and subscribe. Not very many of you are subscribed. And I know that I'm going to still only have 15 subscribers, but I don't know. My last channel had 180, so I just want to get it up there again. I do hope that we catch some more bass, honestly. I mean, I don't have the best luck fishing here, but it is better than other spots where, like, you don't catch anything. Hang on, I got a little bit of backlash. There we go. There's some interesting creatures in Lake Glory. There's like these really, really, really giant snails, and then like these huge clams. They're like freshwater clams, it looks like almost. And then sometimes the clams will be like wide open, but they're still alive, because like you'll touch them and they close instantly. But there are some odd creatures here at the old Lake Glory pond. I mean, I understand. I understand that it is called Lake Glory, but it's not really like much of a lake. I would say that it's more of like a large pond. Not really much of a lake. Now, I don't know if you guys see, but like those rocks up along that bank, that's an all right place to fish, but I think the best place to fish is like underneath the trees, maybe. There we go. This is like a really nice day too. It's like almost 70 degrees out. I keep getting it caught on that tree. I want to see if I can get like underneath that tree, because there actually might be something under there. All right, well, I'm going to go to another spot on this pond, and I'll pick the camera back up when we get there. All right, well, we're almost there. It's just like this tree right up here. But along these rocks and stuff, I mean, it's an all right place to fish, but it's really, really shallow. So that's really the only thing that sets it off. But if it wasn't as shallow, it would be a really nice place to fish. I really hope that I do not get my things stuck in this like tree, but I already know that it's gonna happen. Oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Darn it. Well, I hope we can go in and get that, because that's a nice lure. I really like that lure. I called it. I called it. I knew that it was going to snap. Well, that's all right. That's fishing, I guess. All right, hold on. Let me go get that lure. All right, I guess let's get in here and get this lure out. Good thing is, my line is right here. So, let's just pull that thing up. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, so now it wants to come out. But it has to snap before I can get it. Well, whatever. I can't seem to cut this. I mean, it is 30-pound test, so I'm just going to drag this back, I guess, and go cut it with my pliers. But it is actually kind of hard to cut, not going to lie. All right, well, I'll meet you back on my four-wheeler. Okay, so we made it back to the four-wheeler. I cut that thing off of the braid, my chatterbait. Now I'm just re-rigging this rod. I'm going to use like a swim bait. It's like a rubber swim bait. It looks actually pretty good. It's red, white, blue, and like the face is black. And we're going to try it because I feel like I've never used it before. But it looks like it might work good. I got it out of my Christmas tackle box. Like one of those Christmas calendars, but instead of like the chocolates or like the candies, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, I got fishing baits, and this came out of it. Oh. But anyways, I hope to catch some more bass fishies. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm using. See, it's like a little swim bait here. We'll see if it works well. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. I hope it works well, because I kind of would be disappointed if it did not. I'm not really sure how I should jig this, or like, I don't know. I've never really used one of these before. So if you have any suggestions, please put them down in the comments, because alrighty. There we go. All right. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys, but I was using this chatterbait right here with like a little like bluish, because it kind of has like a little blue on it, but it's like a spinner tail. But I caught one bass on it. Not a very big one, but you know, it's a bass. It's a fish. Anyways, let's go try this one out. I'm actually kind of excited to use this. See what this thing can handle. See what this thing can whip around. Let's see the action on this thing. I'm kind of curious to what it will look like in the water. I really hope it looks pretty nice, because I don't know, that'd be cool. Huh. It's alright, I guess. I mean, it's not the best, but it's better than nothing, honestly. But, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't, I thought that it might, like, move, like an actual fish in the water, like that, maybe. But it doesn't. It just kind of just, like, wiggles, like, a little bit like that. I mean, which is alright. I mean, but the chatterbait definitely had a lot better action. And I'm not going to use very much top water today. I mean, I know you guys always love to see top water, like especially with like bigger YouTubers. But today I'm not using top water because it's just getting into the beginning of summer. And I feel like, I don't know, maybe this thing doesn't really have too good of action. Maybe I can like jig it like that. I don't know. This thing does not have that good of action. I don't know. I was just kind of thinking that it would look a little better. I think I actually have a bitsy bug. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I have a bitsy bug in there. I don't know. This thing, I had high hopes for it, but it just hasn't really been showing up too good. I mean, I have like other swim baits and stuff. I don't know. Swim baits haven't really been my jam. Really, it's been bitsy bugs, chatterbaits, and spinners. Oh, and poppers. And I had a couple on like a whopper plopper and frogs and stuff, but not as many as I've had on bitsy bugs. Okay, so I have some Senkos, but those are for a rough day if you're having a rough day. I have some like poppers. I have a frog, but they're not really in season yet. I have a whopper plopper frog. I have this thingy right here. It's like a little swim bait, I guess you could call it. I also have a little whopper plopper, but like I said, I don't really feel like doing top water today because I actually feel like catching things. In here, I just have like really big swim baits and really big like spinners. Oh, and I have a couple spoons in there. Right here, I have a couple spinners, which I actually might try out to use. Not gonna lie, I actually might try out these. I thought I had a bitsy bug, but I am not seeing one. No, not in here. Right here, I do not. I just have a bunch of ploppers, and then I have crappie magnets. Oh, I also got this spinner, too. It is, what color is this? It has it on here. I'm just trying to, I mean, it's a spinner bait, but I think it's called pumpkin. But we'll save this for another time, honestly. I still haven't even gotten it out of the package, and I really want to, but not today. I don't think these bass are really up to it. Honestly, I might just switch back to that chatterbait. That thing works actually really well, like overly well. So I might switch back to do that. Okay. Let's go and do that. I want to do that. I really do like this new reel that I got. It is really nice. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna tie this on really quick, and then I guess we can go fish over there. I don't really know. Huh. There's like not really many more places to fish here. Besides like on this bank. I mean, I've already fished this whole entire bank, but I did not start the video until we were pretty much done with that. So, I don't know. Huh. It's getting kind of late. It's about 6:55. I don't know. Well, guys, I think I've decided. I think I'm gonna call it a day. We caught one bass, which actually for Lake Glory is not bad because it gets overfished like a lot, like ridiculously a lot. But this like swim bait or whatever you call it kind of let me down. I thought it was gonna be pretty agile in the water, if you know what I mean. But this chatterbait actually worked pretty well. Not gonna lie. It had good action. I bet you if I was in a better pond that didn't get overfished, I would have had a better chance of catching something nicer. That goes in here. All right, well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching if you watched through the whole entire video. I hope you had a good time. I know it was kind of a boring fishing trip, but at least I did catch one. Sorry that it wasn't on camera. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. As I really would appreciate to build this channel out. Anyways, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.